Thanks again for tuning in to First Mold. I'm Kyle. In the last 4 episodes, we broke down how inserts are designed, how we handle heat, and the ways we machine each part. Now, all the inserts are ready. It's time to bring them together, like snapping Lego bricks into place. Let's get started. With over 200 inserts, assembly has to be systematic. Machining is only the first half. To turn this into a working mold, everything has to fit perfectly. Each of those over 200 inserts, they fit in one place only. One wrong part, wrong direction, or wrong sequence, and the mold won't close. So we numbered every insert and laser marked the code onto the part itself. During assembly, engineers follow the exploded view and insert order. For longer parts, we also added stress relief chamfers and anti-distortion channels to prevent twisting or misalignment during pressing. After every segment's installed, we check the seams. Final seam gap, controlled within plus 0.05 mm. That gives us solid interlocks, zero buildup of error, and full closure stability. Whether it's a mold packed with this many inserts or something totally different, our engineers follow strict standards every step of the way. You might not see it all in the video, but here at First Mold, quality control runs top to bottom. After watching this, kind of feel like pulling out a box of Lego or building a Gundam kit, huh? Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Next episode, we'll wrap things up with a quick summary. Hopefully it'll help connect the dots. Catch you next time.